When working with a Word document that has a lot of different sections and subpoints, creating a table of contents can be very helpful. The first step to creating a table of contents is obviously have your document ready. So, for example, here I have a document which has different section or different divisions and commonly used reports for each division. A way the, the way you start the table of contents is first going to references and determining what kind of table of contents are you looking for. Obviously, here you're given some choices. So heading 1 would be the the uh, the title of the section, and heading 2 would be, for example, the reports. So then you have to find the corresponding headings and give the different headings to the different sections you want. So, for example, the title of each section, I will give heading 1. So, given my document, I see my headings are development officers, development administrative assistants. So what you're going to want to do is start highlighting and determining what you want to be your first heading. So once you had them all selected, you're going to go to Home and choose heading 1. Now remember, heading 1 was the type of heading we wanted under references table of contents. So you select heading 1. And the next step is determining what your heading 2s are, and we decided that heading 2 would be all the subpoints under each division. So we'll start by selecting the subpoints. And a side note, an easy way to select things while unclicking is holding Control. So Control, Select, and if I were to hold Control, it would unselect everything else. So just a little easy trick when working with table of contents. So once you have all of these selected, you're going to go to Home just like you did with heading 1 and select heading 2. Now it may change the formatting, but you can change that on your own. So here we have edited our information to have different headings corresponding to what we want them to be. So now that we have our headings, creating a table of contents is very easy. Go back to references, table of contents, and we decided on automatic table 1. So now you see here you have your table of contents and you have the page that you'll find each part on. So remember, our heading 1 we decided would be development officers, development admin assistants, and the other ones we selected. So those are our headings to the section, and the subpoints we selected as heading 2 are here. And if you wanted a third heading, it would be the same process. So you'd say, whatever you want to say here, and if you want to make that a point in your table of contents, you will select it, go to Home, and select heading 3. And now you should see it show up once you have updated your table. Here you have to update it in order for it to show up and update your entire table. And here we go. Here's the third point I just made. So creating table contents can be very easy, but you have to make sure you select your information correctly and assign the correct heading to it.